The latest Russian assault on Vovchansk ended in total failure. Tremendous losses. Russians lost 17 armored transport and other IFVs, including the infantry riding on it or inside. More footage from the same mass attack on Vovchansk by Russian forces, leading to mass losses. A group of Russian forces in armored transport heading to assault the aggregate plant in Vovchansk was destroyed. At the start of the video, a Russian tank is seen covering the column, but then retreats. Unlike a previous group, this one didn't even manage to reach the plant. A video has been posted online that allegedly shows the explosion of a powerful bomb in Vovchansk. Some Russian military experts write that this is the first use of the Odab 9000 vacuum bomb, which is called the Kuzkin's father and father of all bombs, and is considered the most powerful non-nuclear munition in the world, the equivalent of 44,000 kilograms of TNT. However, others claim that it is a thermobaric bomb, Odab 1500, which was dropped after a failed meat assault by the Russians. And here are some captured Russian soldiers in the aggregate plant in Vovchansk by units from the Russian Volunteer Corps. The news that Vuhledar would have been taken by the Russians has spread. Incidentally, what has happened now is nothing revolutionary in itself, as the Russians have attacked in the direction of Vuhledar for 2 years, and above all, for the past 6 months. There have been basically daily attacks. During its defense, the Ukrainian 72nd Brigade has sunk 9 Russian brigades. Every week, the Russians have thrown in new reserves and now have around 5 brigades in the area. Constant aerial bombardment has made the situation of the defenders extremely tough. It is therefore a feat that they were able to keep Vuhledar as long as they did. The fight continues regardless. 25-year-old FPV pilot Timothy Orel, 47th Mechanized Brigade, was awarded the Order of the Golden Star, with the title of Hero of Ukraine. From January to May 2024, he eliminated 434 killed, 346 wounded, 42 tanks, 44 BMPs, 10 MTLB, 28 BTR APCs. After a recent failed Russian assault, an FPV unit from the 30th Mechanized Brigade successfully destroyed a Russian tank using a drone armed with thermite. Let's check the Middle East again. In the Iranian city of Qom, a box of fireworks exploded right in the middle of a hooting crowd celebrating the launch of rockets at Israel. NATO has deployed state-of-the-art airborne warning and control system, AWACS, air reconnaissance aircraft to the alliance's eastern tier to monitor Russian military operations and for better observation and defense of Romanian airspace, an official statement said. The flights will take place solely over alliance territory and will operate out of Preveza Air Base in Greece and the NATO AWACS main base at Geilenkirchen, and will strengthen Romania's ability to respond to the increased air activity in the vicinity of its border. This enhanced vigilance activity is legitimate, defensive, proportionate, and fully transparent, the announcement said. The U.S.-developed Boeing E-3A Sentry AWA-CS plane is by most accounts the world's premier air reconnaissance platform, with radars capable of spotting aircraft-sized flying objects at ranges of hundreds of kilometers. Onboard electronics, and up to 19 aircrew process everything from pilot voice intercepts to ground missile launches to radar emissions spotted by the plane's sensors to give a commander cross-spectrum air battle intelligence.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.